फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and a very warm welcome to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. IPL 2024 is underway and we can truly say that this IPL belongs to all the batters because the kind of runs that are being scored in this IPL is quite unreal. Something we wouldn't have believed if we would have talked about few years ago. Okay, एक IPL में इतने runs भी बन सकते हैं. Well, two more batters have added to that tally. Right now, 59th match of IPL 2024 is underway and the match is being played between the Gujarat Titans and the Chennai Super Kings. Now, it's a very important match in context of the playoffs, but that is a different debate. We'll talk about the two batters that you can see on your screen now, Sai Sudarshan and Shubman Gill. What have they done? Well, they have broken many records with their partnership. Gujarat Titans in the first innings have scored 231 runs in their 20 overs with a loss of just 3 wickets. And when I say just 3 wickets, you know there are two of their batters out of those 3 would have definitely scored a lot of runs. Now, Sai Sudarshan and Shubman Gill, they both came out as openers and they created a partnership of 210 runs. Now, this is a historic partnership. This is the equal most runs in an opening partnership. The other two are Quinton de Kock and KL Rahul when they scored 210 versus KKR in 2022 at the DY Patil Stadium. इन्होंने भी equal किया है उस record को for the highest opening partnership. शुभमन गिल, साई सुदर्शन वर्सेस CSK अहमदाबाद में 210 रन. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि KL Rahul और Quinton de Kock were not out in that innings. Both of them remained not out. यहाँ दोनों ने अपने wickets गवा दी, but both of them scored their respective centuries. Sai Sudarshan scored 103 off just 51 balls at a strike rate of 201, whereas Shubman Gill scored 104 in just 55 balls at a strike rate of 189. Now, strike rate is something जिसपे काफी debates होते हैं, and these two openers really showed the world what they can do with the bat in their hand. Gujarat Titans are at the bottom of the table. They are more or less out of the tournament. It's just a 1% chance. And at the toss, Shubman Gill, the captain, said that we will take that chance and we'll play positive cricket for now. And that's exactly what these two batters did. I'll tell you some other stats that these two broke. Two individual hundreds in same IPL innings. This is happening for the third time in the history of IPL that two individual hundreds were recorded in the same IPL innings, not in the same match. एक ही इनिंग में दो इंडिविजुअल हंड्रेड्स. अब इंडिया के लिए T20s में सबसे ज्यादा सेंचुरीज की जो लिस्ट है ना, उसमें शुभमन गिल ने भी अपना नाम डाल दिया है. दिस इज T20, नॉट जस्ट IPL, नॉट जस्ट इंटरनेशनल, T20 across different tournaments, IPL and international. Shubman Gill has scored 6 T20 centuries. At the top of the table is Virat Kohli with 9 T20 centuries, and then मोस्ट इंडिविजुअल हंड्रेड्स इन एन IPL सीजन का रिकॉर्ड भी इस सीजन टूट चुका है. 13 हो चुकी हैं सेंचुरीज. से पहला जो रिकॉर्ड था वो था 2023 में. वो है पिछला सीजन जब 12 IPL सेंचुरीज लगी थी. इस सीजन में अभी काफी मैचेस पड़े हैं. वी आर नॉट इवन क्लोज टू द प्लेयर्स एज ऑफ नाउ. देयर आर फ्यू मैचेस ऑफ ऑल द टीम्स लेफ्ट एंड वी ऑलरेडी हैव 13 इंडिविजुअल सेंचुरीज in this IPL season, and Gujarat has also entered themselves in the list of highest team totals against CSK. This is the second highest, or rather we should say this is the highest, joint highest with Punjab Kings. Punjab scored 231 at the loss of 4 wickets in 2014, and today Gujarat has scored 231 at the loss of 3 wickets in Ahmedabad against the CSK. सो बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड्स टूटे हैं इन दोनों बैटर्स से. दोनों ने अपनी इंडिविजुअल हंड्रेड्स मारी और बहुत तेजी से मारी, 200 के स्ट्राइक रेट के अराउंड मारी. एंड दे हैव गिवन अ टफ task to the Chennai Super Kings to chase this down. Well, as I said in the beginning, this is an IPL for the batters and we are pretty sure कि और भी काफी रिकॉर्ड्स टूटेंगे इस IPL में. तो इन सारी अपडेट्स के लिए, इन सारे स्टैट्स के लिए जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए क्रिकेट कनेक्ट यूट्यूब चैनल को. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.